And when we take a look at these numbers with YouTube Gaming Live, this is going straight up. Parent, YouTube is an interesting restreaming opportunity for Facebook gaming creators. Why is that?
Yeah, so in my experience, I've done my whole Facebook gaming journey has also been a restream journey at the same time. And these need to go hand in hand in 2021. You cannot go all in on Facebook gaming in 2021. It's too late. And you're destined to fail if you do it that way. And there's so many pitfalls, and I can't even guarantee that you even have any growth doing it that way in 2021. But if you multi-stream and you're at least going to YouTube and you at least have a YouTube strategy, like you're saying here, well, at the same time, you've got a chance to make Facebook, that be your live destination, and have YouTube kind of be your video destination, and utilizing both to generate revenue for yourself as a creator. If you look at YouTube's numbers here, I mean, they're going up from the end of last year, 2019, to like 1 billion to 1.7 billion at the end of Q3. We'll see what Q4 will pull at the end of 2020 here soon, whenever
they doubled.
Yeah, I bet you it's even higher than that. YouTube, it was the only one at the end of Q3 2020 that was still skyrocketing in terms of average concurrent viewers and total hours watched. Pretty much every other platform, including Twitch, had plateaued or declined from that point on. Even Facebook gaming, which like you said, that was kind of that was our first red flag for that platform. So in 2021, I think multi-streaming has to be on your checklist if you're going for a Facebook gaming centric strategy. If you really like that platform and you really want to hone in on it, restreaming should be number one, with a required component, YouTube being in there as well. You need to be hitting both of those for success, just at least for success on Facebook gaming.